There's a restaurant in New York called Raos, R-A-O''S. It's a small little Italian place, small like 6 or 8 tables. Very hard to get into. In fact, I think it's impossible. They've been around since the early 1900s, maybe before that. But they really got big into selling their sauces and stuff packaged. And now they have this whole thing where online store where they sell different kinds of sauces and pasta and olive oil and accessories and stuff like that. So what they have done is they've released a few limited edition merch items. In fact, this website only has information about the products. They don't have anything about the restaurants on their website. They've come up with this virtual shopping thing that's kind of fun. Well, it's kind of fun. It's kind of distressing too. It's got this you're supposed to go around this shop, this virtual shop, and fill up your passport with different icons. Like you can click over here and see this thing and click on that button there and get that sticker. And then go to the next one. Let's pick another one. Let's go to this one over here, and there's the thing right there, and you can get that sticker. Go here. There's that one. Get that sticker. So if you go through all this, I've done this a couple of times already. If you go through all this, once you get the stickers, you'll find that it's all over. So there, I got all my stamps. And then it says the campaign's over. So you've gone through all that trouble, and it's over, and you can't get anything. So anyway, what a pain in the neck. But the one thing I found in here that was kind of odd, well, it's not so odd, but it was unusual. They've got these, like they sell merch in here too. So they've got these handbags. $6 for a jute tote bag. That's okay. That's acceptable. And then they also have stuff like they've got their sauce. Here's a jar of sauce. Here's a thing of pasta. They've got some awards on the wall, different reviews and stuff like that. That's all great. And then you go down here to this wall and you want to look at, there's another jar of sauce. That's fine. This is some more sauce. This might be some olive oil down here. Let's see. Yep. Let's see what's here. More sauce. But look at this fun thing right here in the middle. It's a handbag. It's $1,000 handbag. $1,000. Unbelievable. If you go look at this, look at the size of that thing. It's the size of a jar. You're going to pay 1,000, 4 digits. It's unbelievable. And I don't know I guess you carry a jar of sauce in it or whatever. The handbags retail for $1,000 and provide a high-end means for customers to express their love for Rao's homemade sauce. You know what? There's no reason for that. It's not Louis Vuitton. And even if it is, I mean, those things aren't worth $1,000 either, but that's just to me. Along with the fashion accessories, they have 3 new sauces, vodka arrabbiata, caramelized onion, blah, 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 blah. 2 new soups, whatever. Here's the takeaway. Don't be ridiculous. Asking $1,000 is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. And anyway. It makes me mad just thinking about it. And I'm never going to buy it. I am not the demo for that thing.